All right, everybody. Here's what your note reading activity is today. It's a little different, so we're going to go ahead and walk you through how to set it up. First and foremost, go to musictheory.net, like I just showed you, in the search box or the search engine, and hit enter. Then you're going to click on theory lessons. Then you're going to click on exercises. When you click on exercises, you're going to click on note identification. When you get here, we're going to come up here to the setting mode and change some things. We're going to add ledger lines. This is how we do that. Click on the setting button. We're going to click on clefs. We're going to make sure that it says grand staff. Then we hit the back button. Then we're going to click on range. We are going to take this top note and take it to the highest it can go. We're going to take this bottom note and we're going to take it, to the lowest it can go. These lines that are above and below the staff are called ledger lines. That's a ledger line, that's a ledger line, that's a ledger line, that's a ledger line, and all of these are ledger lines. We're going to click the back arrow. Key signatures, we're going to pick two. One flat, one sharp. Note names, we're going to keep at letters. Accidentals, we're going to keep on. Next question, we are going to keep after audio. And then on challenge mode, we're going to change a couple of things. We're going to change this back to 1 minute, and we're going to change the questions to 15. Scratch that. Let's go to 10. So you have to get 10 notes in 1 minute or less. And you can keep multiple attempts. Again, keep this question limit at 10, not 15. After you're done with all that, click on the setting button one more time, and then you can click on your start challenge. Then you go ahead and go D sharp, F, G, A, B, C, D, that's an E. That is an A sharp. Top line is F, space is G, line is A, space is B, C, D, E sharp. That is a F, G, A flat. This is a G, but comes before G is G, F, E, D, C, B sharp. That is a G, F, E, D, C, B, A flat. That is an G, F, E, D, C, that's a B. That is a G sharp. And if you notice that I didn't get 10 out of 10 in under a minute, so I have to redo the challenge, because it needs to read 10 out of 10, 100% in a minute or less. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F flat. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp. That is an A sharp. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. That is a C flat. G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F flat. That is an F. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp. That is an F natural. And that is an A. So if you notice, now I have 10 out of 10, 100% in a minute or less. And then you snip it, copy it, and paste it in your class assignments homework tab.